Alrighty, so here's the dealio. It's November 7th, like 12 o'clock in the morning. We just got back from Cars and Coffee. There wasn't like a huge turnout because the weather sucks. So now there's another little car show thingy-dooler going on here at Cabela's for a guy that I guess flew like B-27s or something like that. And he's supposed to be here. He's going to be like 900 years old. I don't remember how old they said he was, but so that's pretty cool. It's supposed to be older cars here, not a lot of that new age stuff that you see Cars and Coffee, like the exotics and whatnot. We're talking like old school muscle and even older than that, where you had to use your feet to pedal. Oh, look, a Taco Bell dog. Adorable. So we'll see how it goes, I guess. Oh, beautiful.
Think that it is.
Don't judge it. You never know. Touch my car, I'd break it, you think.
It moves when he drives, right?
The fan?
Yes, and then the people crank it.
That is so cool.
Isn't it though?
That is amazing. Why don't they do that on cars nowadays?
Because nobody cares anymore.
God bless you.
People actually used to care when they went to work. It makes a little bit of power.
A little bit of power, yeah.
others will make it through like I hoped we would. But here in the real world, it's not that easy at all. And heroes gone down.
Beautiful.
Good always wins again and again. And love is a sweet thing. Oh, if life were like I'd never be.
Alrighty. Just now leaving that little car show at Cabela's. I didn't get to meet the gentleman that flew in the wars. He apparently got too cold and left early. But that's okay. Someday maybe. A lot of nice cars there. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. For all of you who stayed this long, I'm out. See you next time.